How is your ex dealing with your absence? If you want to know, this reading might be for you. If you don't want to know, you can scroll. It's a collective reading. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. To book a paid private reading, email me at divinemothersguidance@gmail.com. Make sure you are typing the right spelling. Copy it from the description box of my YouTube channel. Otherwise, if you misspell that, that goes to devil. Okay? And then you will be scammed. Don't come to me crying. All right. So speaking of that, and also my TikTok messages are completely turned off. You will not be able to message me or communicate with me via TikTok. So if you are seeing any profile with my videos and they are communicating with you saying that this is just a backup account, honey, that shit is not me. All right. So let's get started. Let's see. How is your person dealing with your absence? Focus on your person. Oh, you're thinking about them 24/7, aren't you? And I am here doing Jingalala in India. Eating, constantly eating and sleeping. Okay, let's get started. How are they dealing with your absence? Ooh, la la la, 7 of Wands. Okay. So, Star. Okay. Pentacle. So, Fawn, 8 of Wands. The Moon and the bottom of the deck, the Chariot. Okay. The Ace of Wands, the 4 of Pentacle, the 7 of Wands is the opening card. 8 of Pentacle. It's a mixed emotion here. The Ace of Cups, the Page of Wands, the Moon and the Star. Listen, this is a very mixed emotion. This person you are dealing with a very typical avoidant. Okay, you know how the avoidants are. Avoidants are the people who really crave love. It's not that they are not like narcissists. They need love. They want to love. They crave that intimacy. But what happened to them due to their childhood trauma or their upbringing? They get very intimidated. Like when the connection becomes too strong, it freaks them out. Like, what the fuck I'm gonna do here right now? It is too intense. Like this person is gonna take away my emotional independence. They are gonna invade in my personal space, and deep inside they got a feeling that they are not worthy enough. So when you come too close to them, they start freaking out. Like, oh my gosh, if it goes to the next level, this person probably leave me. They probably will not love me. They're gonna abandon me. So before they do that, rather I run. So they will be very hot and cold, leave you on and off, stonewalling you, leaving you for small reasons. You will see 2 days back, the connection was like on the top of the world, glide down. And suddenly one morning they come, oh, you sneeze too loud, so I'm going to leave this connection. It doesn't work out with me. Or maybe like, I don't like the dress that you're wearing yesterday. I'm going to leave you. I'm just kidding. But you got under the point that is the lamest excuses they will give you to leave. Okay. This is the avoidant people. But what happens when they leave you? They want you to follow them, chase them, to validate their feeling that no, they truly love me. But I think in this situation, you didn't give a fuck about it. I believe you are completely done and you are protecting your energy in this energy bubble, and you have set your boundary like, fuck it, I'm not going to go behind you anymore. So what you did here is actually impacting this person big time. The moon energy is coming up. So I think this person is drowning in their own bullshit right now. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do, because this person, it is easy for me to handle, like when they come forward begging to me or fight with me even. Come message me and fight with me. But you are not doing anything. You are just, okay, fuck off, get lost. So it is the energy of yours. So like how I deal with this kind of energy. This is too much of like, I would say you are protecting yourself. You are such a strong and independent right now that your energy, they can't touch your energy. That's what I'm feeling. You pulled your energy. You are not giving any bullshit to this person anymore. And that is what this person is feeling very hot and cold about. Like how I deal with this. I need this person because I love them. Listen, this is the person, they truly, truly love you. This is my most favorite card of the deck, Ace of Cups. And there are 2 aces here. This person truly loves you. So if you know you are dealing with a piece of shit, which is a narcissist or a cheater or a abuser, this is definitely not your reading. This is a reading of a person who loves you but avoidant, runs away and comes back kind of a thing. Now this person seeing you detached and independent is literally mind fuck that I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do about it. However, I would say they feel like the connection is very strong. Telepathically, you probably are connecting to each other. And this person feels like there is a hope in this connection and there will be a new beginning. Okay. but right now they don't know how to do it because you are so blocked with your energy, and you are so detached from them. They don't know what to do, but you are constantly in this person's mind. They're probably trying to do work or something to keep themselves occupied, but that shit is not working. Okay, another side note, if you did some kind of spell work on this person, this spell work is working. All right, just to let you know. Also, I'm sensing like you both are very intuitive. Can be like one, maybe you are very intuitive. You can telepathically can feel this person's energy. They will not let you go. This person will not let you go. They're holding you tight in their heart. Okay, this is a very strong connection. I'm not pulling the energy here for a narcissist or bullshit bad kind of person. If your person is that kind of shit, this is not your reading for sure. Okay, however, this person still going to some on and off energy, and the Chariot card is here. So I think soon you will receive some message from this person, and they are not being able to live without you very happily. They are not happy without you, but very childish and kiddish energy. Okay, maybe very mature in their life, but emotionally very immature, this person. And the problem is that they lack empathy. And another thing is that I'm sensing with this one, with the Four of Wands, with this Page of Wands and Four of Pentacles, I'm sensing like they struggle with emotional regulation. What happens? If anything negative feeling gets into their head, they hold on to this for a long time until unless they fight and bring it out. They hold on to the long time. So this is where this person is still struggling. A bit of resistance is still there, but I think it is not going to last for a long time. So I would give you, like, tarot is not a time frame of, it's not a good tool of time frame prediction. People come to tell me, Didi, give me the time frame. This is not a very good, because energy changes, and depending on how you deal with it, its manifestation can be quicker. So if you keep pulling your energy and focusing on yourself more and more, this is going to happen quicker. But I believe there is a little bit of resistance is still there, and that's not going to last forever. This person is going to come back. They are almost about to break. So give them some time. Focus on yourself. Don't wait for them. Don't give them your energy. Do not wait for like when they're going to come back. I'm just watching on the, stop stalking them. If you watch their stalking their social media, you are giving them energy and you are pushing this reunion away. So if you want to cause the union, if you want to bring this reunion faster, quicker, or whatever, you need to focus on yourself. Do your life. Do not think about them. Now you'll say, oh, if you say don't think about them, I'm thinking about them more. I know that how that shit works. So what I'm going to tell you, focus on other things, learn new skills, do something, exercise every day, drink water, go in sunshine if there is any sunshine in your place, okay? And make sure that you are eating healthy and taking care of your physical, mental well-being. This connection is going to work out. They're going to come back to you. Don't worry about it. Take care. Bye.